Ever wondered who really moves the Forex market? Like all those zigzags you usually see on your screen. Who moves it? Let's find out. I'll break down the key participants, the key players in the Forex market so you can be able to trade smarter. Stick with me. Let me walk you through so your approach to the market will be different after watching this video. The first participant I'll be talking about is the central bank. The central bank of each country that owns the currency you are trading. Whatever they say, their decision, they are the one that control the currency, the rates, the supply of funds into the market of the currency you are trading. For instance, the Fed, whatever the Fed says about US dollar, will definitely have impact on the United States dollar. Do you get that? Wherever the central bank of any country you are trading their currency, be it JPY, be it Canadian dollar, be it any currency, even Nigeria, whatever their central banks decide is what will reflect about that currency on the chart. So the second participant I'll be talking about is the commercial bank. So just like we have the central banks, we also have the commercial banks of every country that we are trading their currency. So US has their commercial banks, Japan has theirs, Canada has theirs. All these countries that owns the currency we are trading in the forex market has theirs. So these commercial banks also, they are in the market. They trade for profits. They are even the one that most times generates institutional level that we will still talk about in the forex market. So when you study how these people trade, definitely you will know what to do as a trader because you want to follow where the big money is. You don't just want to move on your own. You definitely want to follow the big men. And that's how you as a trader make more money. So we also have the hedge funds and institution. Yeah. So these people or this set of organization or this set of people, they are just like collective millionaires or billionaires that just come together to also trade. Do you get those kind of people? So, or this kind of organization. So they also have huge amount of money, what some banks have, to be able to move the market. So with these hedge funds or institutional organization or commercial banks or the central banks, the market tends to react to a certain direction, either to be bullish or to be bearish. If you are confused some of these terminologies I'm mentioning, just stay tuned. You see, on this channel, on this IP Stories Academy that you will definitely get everything relating to Forex at its simplest definition. Then we also have the retail trader, which is me and you. We are just basic traders that are in the market to make money. So we definitely want to follow these big men, these big players, these heavyweight players in the market. We follow them, we move to wherever they move the market to, and we make money. That's just who we are. You don't make a decision on your own. You definitely want to follow what these people are doing. If they are buying, you buy. If they are selling, you sell. Now you might be confused. How do I know when they buy? How do I know when they sell? I am very sure if you stay tuned on this channel, you will be able to know when exactly to buy and when exactly to sell, because I'll be taking everything step by step accordingly, and you won't get confused anywhere except you confuse yourself. So don't miss out on anywhere. One of the participants that you can't do without as a trader in the market are the brokers. They are the one that link you as a trader to the market, because the market is a digital one. Of course, we are not going to the Wall Street anymore to place trade, so we now need something to connect us to the market. So the broker are the ones that link we as a trader to the market. How do you now go about broker? The broker are institution or their organizations that links you as a trader to the market. The first thing you do is this broker we have series of brokers. We have XNS, HFM, series of these two I mentioned are the one I use actually. We have others also. The links to all of these brokers will definitely be in the description box. So if you need any of them, you can definitely go there. Now, what do these brokers, apart from linking us to the market as traders, what else do they give us? They also give us leverage. That is, without leverage, you as a trader, you can't place trade. Now, imagine $1 trillion market cap and you are coming in with your $10. How is that even possible to place trade? So, but with the help of this broker and their leverage is like a wing they give to your account. After you sign up, while signing up there's a box there that you choose the kind of leverage you want, be it 1:50, 1:100, they are usually in ratio. When you now choose this leverage, now this is how to calculate this leverage. Let's say you choose a leverage of 1:50 and you found $100. It simply means your $100 times 50, the leverage you choose. That is the account size you have there. So it means 50 times 100, that is around 50,000 if I'm not wrong. So you'll be able to trade as if you have 50,000 in the market. Do you get that? So leverage are just like wings given to your account to help you place trade and to help you flow very well in the market. In our last video, if you remember, I mentioned spread. So this broker also, how they get commission on every trade we take. Of course, they're not doing it for free. So spread is their own commission per every trade you take. Just like if you are traveling and you want to exchange your currency to the currency of the country you are going, there's a rate for buying and there's a rate for selling. The difference of these two rates is how those organizations at the airport is how they make their money. So that is simply spread. Difference of the bid price and the ask price. That is spread. That is how they get paid. So spread is the commission the broker charge you for all of this operation they help you carry out. As juicy as the offer this broker gives us, as juicy as it may sound, you still want to pay attention to the kind of broker you choose, because there are a series of brokers there. So you want to ensure they are regulated, that is, the government regulates them. So they have an upper hand that they deliver to keep them in place. And then you also want to ensure their withdrawal and deposit scheme in your country is convenient by you, maybe directly to your bank or through cryptocurrency. All of these kinds of payment method is very convenient by you. You also want to ensure they are not charging you exorbitant spread. There are some trade, if you choose the wrong broker, trust me, no matter what you are making as a trader, the broker will be taking each part of it. So you want to also consider spread, so the broker won't take each part of your profits. So there are a lot of other things you should consider as we proceed. I'll be mentioning these things, so you pay attention. Now, as a trader, whenever you're coming into the market, you want to ask yourself a question: where are the big boys going? What are they doing? And that is exactly what you want to do. If they are buying, you join them to buy. If they are selling, you join them to sell. And that's exactly how you make money. Who do you really think moves the Forex market? Comment it in the comment section below. Make sure you find your way to our community. The link that will direct you there will be in the description box, so you can benefit all more trading tips that will ensure and guide you to the right path in this trading journey. Shalom.